Okay, here's two printers in action. By going close to this one, you see just how it works. It's a bit like a hot glue gun. Plastic squeezed from that roll through what's called a hot end, where it's heated up to about 200 degrees. Squeezed through that tiny nozzle, and after a few passes, it starts to build up the plastic into what will eventually become these, which is the headbands for the face shields. This is the face shield. Very simple. Acetate sheet designed for overhead projectors. Clipped on all the way around. Job done. Simple, cheap, easy to make, and they might just save lives.